nung tumakbo si Tito Noy for Congress, pinakampanya kami in the summer, house to house, yung pagod kami magpipinsa. Gusto niyo pang tumakbo? Ayaw na namin tumakbo.
Ganun.
No, so and I saw na it's a thankless job eh. Kahit tama yung ginagawa mo, mali ka. Ganyan. Like, and I saw that with my Tito Noy's administration. And ayun, he really did love the Philippines, and I felt like one of the main causes of his sickness was that heartbroken siya from the people, yeah. Kasi parang he did my mom asked him na, Noy, okay ka ba? Ate, before going to meetingin siya sa mirror, and nagawa ko ba yung dapat kong gawin? Tama ba yung yung first long?
So he was reflecting, was this after?
During this time, yung tama pa ba yung ginagawa ko? And yes, so nakakatulog siya. And he's straighter than a ruler. Na yung kung anong dapat, yung you can't bend the rule, sorry. Ito dapat eh. Ano nga ba yun? There was this politician, siguro in the last 2 years, said na, ang tanga-tanga ni Pinoy hindi yumaman. Siyempre, you're not supposed to make money.
Wow.
Yeah.